Bouling's insert molding process is a solution that combines plastic parts with metal parts. It breaks the boundaries of materials, integrates different materials such as plastics, metals, electronics, and ceramics, and forms products through one-step injection molding. This process empowers product functions and structures, enabling our partners to experience a significant increase in product assembly efficiency. Nowadays, this technology has been widely applied in fields such as electronics, automotive, medical, home appliances, and daily chemical industries, becoming a new driving force for industry development. In Bouling's insert molding process, metals, glass, wood, fibers, etc., that are embedded in plastics are all called inserts, among which metal inserts are the most common. The combination of different materials is not a simple matter. For example, copper and PPS have large differences in thermal expansion coefficients, which can affect the bonding effect. Therefore, when selecting materials, we give priority to considering the compatibility of thermal expansion coefficients to ensure a seamless fit between materials. The base material plays a crucial role in the final product quality and structural strength. According to the needs of customers, we provide a variety of materials such as ABS, PP, PA66, LCP, and TPU. These materials have good fluidity, can bond tightly with inserts, and can adapt to various complex end-use environments. Booling offers a rich and diverse range of insert molding services. For metal inserts, you can choose from copper alloys, stainless steel, aluminum alloys, and titanium alloys. The selection is based on thermal expansion coefficients and surface roughness. Besides metals, ceramics, pre-fabricated engineering plastic parts, electronic components, etc., can also be perfectly embedded through the insert molding process. If you have special material requirements, simply contact our engineers, and you will get a customized optimal solution.